everyone, it's Nadia from Yarn Utopia. I'm back. It's Whip Wednesday, and I hope you're having a fabulous evening. I apologize if there's any stains on my shirt, first of all. I've been busy, and things are going really well. I wanted to first off start by talking about some yarn and crochet stuff, and then later on in this video I have a very most special guest toward the end of this video, so stay tuned for somebody very exciting I want to share with everybody. But the first thing I wanted to share with you is a blog that I'm going to be posting, or by the time this video is up it probably will be posted already, and I'll share the link to it. It's about gauge sizing and using different size crochet hooks with the same type of yarn, and how your project could turn out so different just by changing the hook size. And a lot of people ask me in a lot of my projects how to make this bigger or how to make this smaller, and a lot of my projects are made, I just make one size and I mean hope for the best. And some sizes or some projects I have different sizing, and you know, I do edit the sizing for some pieces, but some pieces I don't have sizing information for bigger or smaller sizes, and I just suggest using a bigger or smaller crochet hook, because that can change your size of your project. So I do share that in the blog later today, so hopefully you guys can check that out, and check out I make little granny squares and show you from a small hook all the way to a larger hook, the same exact square, but it's so big, it turns out to be bigger and bigger with the bigger crochet hook size. So that's pretty awesome. Anyway, that's coming up. And then what's on my hook right now, I am working on some mindless projects, just quick and easy, because I've just been so busy I haven't really been able to pick up a crochet hook. So let me know what's on your hook today, because I would love to see your projects and get some inspiration from everybody. I also wanted to talk about some mail that I got. I was so excited to see my P.O. box was full when I got back home from the hospital. So I want to say a huge thank you to Lori from Decal Mania over in Canada. Thank you so much for the wonderful gift. I will definitely use it. And also Shannon from South Carolina, your card was so beautiful. If you want to send us things, you can. I'll put the P.O. box address in the description of this video, so you can send us some stuff. And I really appreciate all the love and support from everybody. You guys are so wonderful. So thank you so much. And I did want to give a little update, but I want to bring in my special guest, so give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Alright, here's my special guest. This is Nasser, my son. He is going to be 2 weeks old tomorrow. He's a little out of it right now, a little sleepy. It's nap time. That's why mommy is filming a video right now. I have time to do that. A lot of you have been asking how I'm doing. I'm doing okay. I'm still healing. I'm just taking it very easy. I'm still recovering, and I've taken everybody's advice to just enjoy this time with my baby and just savoring every second of it. I cannot stop smiling. Every second with him is a joy, and we are just so incredibly happy. And I've been sleeping when I can. Obviously, when he's sleeping, during the day I can get some stuff done. But at night when he sleeps, I sleep. And sometimes during the day I'll take naps when he naps. Yeah, he's 2 weeks old tomorrow, and mommy's still healing, but we're doing okay. And I have a few checkups to go through at the doctor with my incision check and everything from the C-section. He came a little bit early. His due date was June 30th, and we scheduled the C-section to be on June 24th, but we had a few complications, and I will be sharing a blog about an update on pregnancy and the whole birth and everything on the blog soon. But he came a little more early than we had expected, so he's been here for 2 weeks now, and he has such a personality, and he's just making us so happy. He's so cute. All of his little faces, they're so cute. So all I'm really doing is, you know, feeding and changing diapers. But we are also trying to play a little and keep him awake as long as possible and have him focus on things. I'm learning so much. I'm learning a lot, and it's so wonderful. But if you want to see more behind the scenes and more close-ups of Nas, you can find me on Snapchat. I'm Yarn Utopia on Snapchat. Just follow me there. I've been sharing so many snaps of him, like just every day, taking pictures and videos and saving them and sharing them on my story. So you can follow me there and see more of Nas and him grow. I think it's so fabulous. I can't get my eyes off of him. I just love staring at him all day. He's so wonderful. And my mom came to stay with us for like 2 weeks, and she helped with everything. She cleaned my house, she did my dishes, she cooked tons of amazing food, and she watched him for me and let me sleep and just try to recover. And in the middle of the night, she would get up with him and help me out, me and Nate out. And yeah, we got to have a lot of Grammy time. Grammy is the best, and we're really happy. So we are now in a routine, and things are getting better, and that's why I wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody and tell you that I'm sort of back, and sort of because I've been very busy, and I'm trying to get a lot of work done during nap time. So we'll be having more blogs up soon and more video tutorials to come very soon. I have to get a few projects on my hook finished, and then I'll be able to share some tutorials. But in the meantime, I am taking all my time and spending it with this little man, because he is the most precious thing. He is truly my greatest creation. So yeah, we just wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody. So please share what you're working on in the comment section. If you're on Facebook, please share a photo in the comment section of what your crochet project is this week. I would love to see. I love seeing all the inspiration. I say that all the time. I get so much inspiration from you guys, from the community. So please share in the comments, and yeah, we will see you next Wednesday. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Until next time, happy hooking!